Okay, first of all, I gotta put the skin oil. It's from my ate. Didn't even use it. That's why she gave it to me. Before I put anything else, so haggard, so oily also. Before I put the face serum, what's this? Basta, it's for a night cream. It's a evening cream, so that my face will become. Sabi na, why it's getting dark. I look like so haggard. Look at that. My position of yung. So init talaga. Okay, I'm gonna put the skin oil first. Kasi even I get hilamos na on my face, there's a bacteria pa din. Yan, look. May natitira pa din.
Oh my god. Nahinog agad. Hosted.
She's selling hinog na yung ano niya. Yung impulse.
Kanina lang yun, ah. Hinog siya agad. Hindi mo siya yun. Skincare bang. Skincare is life. Sabi niya, huwag naman hilamos para. Pero ako, sorry for this one.
Grabe ah, for interrupting.
Bakit pink? Bakit pink na to?
Malay ko sa'yo dyan.
Pink na ang naman, fish.
Para matulog tayong maganda, right?
Para ko mamatan.
Wag, aga pa. Look, I got eye bags. So many eye bags.
Oo.
So it's so lucky pa. Oh my god. Did you know that my ring light, it's the fan only? Then it's low bat. That's why I get what's this? The power bank. I had so many sacrifice now. To have a video. And right away, if I finish it immediately editing this video, later on also I gonna post it on YouTube. I'm just collecting videos on YouTube, and also after that, our coming film also, I gonna post it if we finish filming. Okay, I'm finished putting skin oil. Then the second one I'm gonna put is this face serum. I gonna put this in every day after I get hilamos in night and after I take a bath on morning. Okay.
Yeah.
First here.
Ayun, talaga. Iba na pala siya.
I don't really think it may become effective. But as someone said, wala namang mawawala kung susubukan mo, diba? Yan. After we apply this face serum, the last one is we're gonna use this evening cream. The last one. Okay. Para kahit hindi tayo crush natin, maganda tayo, di ba? Buhay ng gangsta. Hi guys, I'm your pag-ibig girl. Maybe if I look back with this video years ago, I don't know, I gonna love this. Yeah, because of being so maarte like that and putting so what in the face. Oh, it's so sad. If my ate said if I get back to our province, province where my hometown is, I don't have something to put in my face. So poor. No, I'm gonna look for a job. That's why I'm still beautiful. I gonna brought so many skincare right away. Okay, I'm finished and I'm gonna patuyo-tuyo na lang this. I'm gonna open the fan to make it dry.